Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an MP4 file format into an MP3 file format. In other words, how to convert a video into an audio. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So I have a video right here on my desktop, one of my video on how to download Mavispeak on your PC. So if you haven't seen that video, you can check the video right here. So to convert this video into an MP3 format, I'm going to head over to my VLC media player, and then I'm going to head over to this media button right here. So I'm going to scroll down to convert/save, and then I'm going to add the video right here. So I have it on my desktop. So here it is right here. So I'm going to click on open. So after adding the video to VLC, I'm going to hit on this convert/save. And then right here on this profile, you're going to make sure that audio MP3 is selected. Here, audio MP3. And then here I'm going to select the destination where I want my converted MP3 to be. So I'm going to select my desktop. And then I'm going to name it as MP3 convert. So I'm going to click on save. So after you must have done all the settings that you need to do, you hit on this start button right here. So you see the progress of the conversion right here. So now that my conversion is done, I'm going to head over to my desktop. So here's the converted MP3. So I'm going to hit on it to see if it works. Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to download Mavispeak on. So that's it guys, that's how to convert a video to an audio. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.